What's the meaning of Arthur Whitten Brown? Arthur Whitten Brown. Arthur Whitten Brown.
Arthur Whitten Brown. Arthur Whitten Brown. Arthur Whitten Brown was a British aviator who is best known for being the co-pilot of the first successful non-stop transatlantic flight in 1919, along with John Alcock. The flight took off from Newfoundland, Canada and landed in Clifton, Ireland after over 16 hours. Brown had a distinguished military career and was awarded numerous honors and decorations, including the Military Cross. He continued to be involved in aviation throughout his life, serving as a consultant and test pilot.